Description: smooths, nourishes gently, cleanses hair and scalp weakened by the effects of straightening or disciplining naturally rebellious, curly, wavy or straight hair structure. Rebuilds and strengthens hair fiber from root to end. Benefits: luxurious daily use. Concentrated formulas. Extreme Nourish Intense Repair in one application. Sodium chloride free. Suggested use: wet hair thoroughly. Apply Seaberry shampoo between palms and work into scalp and throughout hair. Rinse thoroughly. Combining the wisdom of Eastern, Ayurvedic and traditional medicinal practices, Obliphica Professional harnesses the healing powers of miraculous Seaberry oil, cultivated from the world's harshest climates. It nourishes the scalp, allowing healthy, strong hair to grow. The nutrient-dense Seaberry oil contains bioactive compounds, vitamins, amino acids, flavonoids and omega fatty acids to nourish the hair and scalp and provide exceptional antioxidant protection from environmental and physical aggressors associated with coloring, straightening, texturizing and daily styling. Obliphica Professional delivers luxurious formulas, silky soft hair and immediate rejuvenation for an exceptional sensory experience. See, feel and smell the difference from the very first use. Top reviews from the United States. Awesome. Lathers well and makes my color-treated hair very soft and manageable.